Hey everyone, welcome to Willerers. Today I'll show you how to recover a deleted Google account. First, go to Google and search Google Account Recovery. Click on the link to set up your Google account or Gmail. Next, click on the reason for recovery. In our case, we want to restore a deleted account. For example, let's say we want to recover a deleted Google account. Yes, if you've recently deleted your account, you can follow these steps. Click the link that takes you to account recovery. Click and enter either your phone number or the email address you want to recover. Follow the steps provided. That's all for now. This was Weller, signing off.